In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the back panel off of this Frigidaire oven so that you can service the components behind it. You're going to need to remove the oven from its location, and you want to remove power to the device. Anytime you're servicing an appliance like this, you need to make sure that the power is unplugged for your safety. This is to prevent risk for electrical shock, which of course can lead to serious injury or death. Right there is where the warning label is. The bit on this appliance is a square bit. It is called an S1 bit. You can see that it's in a square shape. In order to remove this upper back panel, you're going to have a series of screws. There's one at the tab here at the top, and then there's two in the upper corners, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and pull those out. Once you remove all the screws, the back panel plate is going to drop right out. Once the upper panel is removed, you now have access to the wiring harness and all of the components. This is the circuit board for the display, and then this is where all of your knob components are. The oven light indicator is right here, and then you have the oven temp indicator light is right here, reheat indicator light, and oven mode light is right here. All of these are connected into the circuit board, which is right here as well. And then if you need to get access to the lower panel, again, it's going to be the same process of just removing the screws on the sides here, and then there's a couple in the middle right there. This is where various components like temperature sensors are located. And then reassembly is simple. You're just going to do all those steps in reverse as well. I now have the access I need since I'm working on the control display right now. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.